If you're aiming for a lush, green lawn that thrives in the heat, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll uncover the best Bermuda grass seed options to help you achieve that perfect, picture-worthy yard. Number 1. Scott & Sons. If you're looking to transform your lawn into a lush, vibrant oasis capable of withstanding the hottest, driest months, the Scott & Sons Bermuda grass seed is a smart choice. Designed specifically for the heat-prone, arid southern regions, this product combines grass seed, natural fertilizer, and a soil improver in one convenient mix. What sets this product apart is its use of carefully selected Bermuda grass seed varieties grown in California, known for their ability to thrive under intense conditions. Paired with natural grass food and a soil-improving clay, this formula promotes a dense, hardy lawn that can hold up to heavy foot traffic, extreme heat, and periods of drought once fully established. Another standout feature is its commitment to safety and sustainability. It contains no added artificial ingredients or pest control chemicals, making it safe for both people and pets when used as directed. For application, it's recommended to use a Scott spreader and lightly water the area daily for about 3 weeks. A single 5 pounds bag offers substantial coverage, up to 2,000 square feet for overseeding and 665 square feet for starting a new lawn from scratch. Additionally, the product comes in a recyclable paper bag, adding an eco-friendly touch to your lawn care routine. The result is a dense, green, and resilient lawn that requires less maintenance over time. Overall, Scott & Sons Bermuda grass seed is a reliable, effective solution for homeowners in southern climates who want an attractive, tough lawn that can take a beating from both the elements and active use. Number 2. Pennington grass seed. Pennington grass seed is a well-rounded, dependable option for those aiming to cultivate a thick, self-sustaining Bermuda grass lawn. This product's primary appeal lies in its ability to produce a dense, aggressively self-spreading turf, which naturally covers bare spots and expands without constant intervention. It features improved cold-tolerant varieties, making it slightly more resilient than traditional Bermuda grass, especially during unpredictable temperature dips. Once established, the grass forms a deep root system that significantly enhances its drought tolerance, minimizing the need for constant watering. Its extremely wear-resistant nature makes it ideal for high-traffic areas, whether you have children playing or pets running around. Another advantage is its low-growing habit, which translates to fewer grass clippings and less frequent mowing, a practical feature for busy homeowners. Designed for warm-season growing, it does go dormant and turns brown in the winter, but returns strong once temperatures rise. This seed blend is especially suitable for lawns in southern regions, where summers are hot and water can be scarce. The lush, green carpet it forms during the growing season makes it a favorite for those seeking both beauty and durability in their lawns. Easy to apply and quick to establish with proper care, Pennington grass seed offers a reliable, cost-effective way to cultivate a healthy, attractive lawn that holds up well against the elements and regular activity. Number 3. Pennington grass seed 5 pounds. Pennington grass seed 5 pounds delivers the same reliable, high-performing characteristics as its smaller counterpart, but with added convenience for those tackling larger lawn projects. Designed to create a thick, self-spreading turf, this blend is perfect for those who want a lawn that requires minimal upkeep while offering maximum durability. It includes enhanced cold-tolerant varieties, adding an edge during occasional cold snaps. The grass establishes a deep root system, promoting resilience against drought and daily wear and tear. Its low-growing design means you'll spend less time mowing and dealing with excess clippings, making it an excellent choice for busy homeowners. The product's wear resistance is particularly notable in high-traffic areas, whether it's children, pets, or outdoor gatherings putting stress on your grass. Like other warm-season grasses, it will go dormant and brown during the cooler months, but reliably bounces back in spring. What sets this version apart is its inclusion of Pennington's exclusive penketed technology, which coats each seed with a protective layer that helps resist disease and enhances early growth. This technology provides a valuable head start, ensuring a higher germination rate and healthier young plants. Ideal for southern climates, this 5 pounds Bag covers ample ground and is perfect for both overseeding existing lawns and establishing new ones. For anyone seeking a tough, attractive lawn with less maintenance and reliable performance, Pennington Grass Seed 5 pounds offers a smart, practical solution. Number 4. Scott's Easy Seed Patch. Scott's Easy Seed Patch is an excellent all-in-one solution for quickly repairing bare spots and improving patchy areas in your lawn. This high-performance grass seed mix is specially formulated to grow in challenging conditions, making it ideal for areas with scorching heat, drought, heavy foot traffic, or slopes where water runoff can be a problem. What makes this product unique is its 4-in-1 formula. It combines top-tier grass seed with mulch, fertilizer, and tackifier. The mulch absorbs up to 6 times its weight in water, ensuring the seeds stay moist and protected. Meanwhile, the controlled-release fertilizer feeds seedlings gradually, giving them a healthy boost as they sprout. The tackifier acts as a natural adhesive, preventing the seeds from washing away, which is especially useful on slopes or during heavy rains. Additionally, a protectant included in the mix helps shield young grass from diseases that commonly attack newly planted areas. The product is easy to apply. Simply spread the seed over the area, water thoroughly, and maintain daily watering until the grass establishes itself. Homeowners appreciate the fast, reliable results and the ability to see visible improvements within weeks. Scott's Easy Seed Patch is a convenient, effective choice for those who need to address problem spots quickly without resorting to complicated lawn care routines. Number 5. Scott's Turf Builder Rapid Grass. For those looking to establish a lush, green lawn in record time, Scott's Turf Builder Rapid Grass is an exceptional option. This unique blend of grass seed and fertilizer offers growth up to twice as fast as seed alone, provided it's applied correctly and cared for properly. The mix is designed for sun and shade, making it versatile for various lawn conditions. One of its greatest strengths is its ability to quickly cover large problem areas or establish new lawns without requiring extensive effort. This is particularly beneficial for homeowners dealing with thin, patchy grass or starting fresh after yard renovations. The controlled-release fertilizer helps jumpstart growth while feeding seedlings consistently, resulting in thicker, fuller grass within just a few weeks. Application is best done in spring or fall when soil temperatures range between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. A 5.6 pounds bag covers up to 835 square feet for new lawns and up to 2,800 square feet for overseeding, making it both efficient and cost-effective. Scott's Turf Builder Rapid Grass is well suited for homeowners seeking a fast, dependable solution to achieve a beautiful, robust lawn without waiting for an entire season to see results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.